guys, welcome back to Prasad Kitchen. Today we are doing my favorite dal recipe. We are making yellow dal or moong masoor dal. I have the ingredients that I'm gonna list in the description and the whole recipe, so you guys don't have to worry about a thing. And let's make my favorite
Let's
dal.
go over the ingredients really quick. We have green chili, fresh garlic, salt, turmeric, red chili, and cumin. I'm using 2 cups of red dal and 1 cup of yellow dal. We're gonna use half cup of oil, 1 bunch cilantro, and half an onion chopped. So for the first step, what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix the dals together and we're gonna wash it and let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. So what I like to do is, in room temperature water, wash the dal really good. The dal is washed. It's gonna sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then we're gonna move over to our pot and we're gonna start cooking. 1 tablespoon red chili, 1 tablespoon salt, and 1 teaspoon haldi or turmeric. And we're gonna add the dal, or add dal. So I like to stir it in after I add the dal, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna cover it, and we're gonna wait for the boil to come in. You're gonna see the steam's gonna start coming out. You remove the cover, start stirring it, and you'll know. I'll show you. It's like a 10-15 minute process, and it goes really fast. I had the pot covered, and I had it cooking for about 15 minutes. You can see the steam's coming out from the sides. And let's add that. Stir it in. See, now it's up to you. If you like your dal a little bit watery, you can stop cooking right now. I personally like my dal really nice and tight. So I'm gonna cook it down a little bit, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna taste it, because you want to see the grain of dal is still intact. And what we're gonna do is dude, this is awesome without the TADKA. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait another 4 to 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna turn the stove off, just because I like my dal a little bit tight. I don't like it loose consistency. Alright guys, the dal is done. You can see it's not loose and it's not tight. It's just right, and the grain is perfect. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna let it sit on the side, and we're gonna start working on the TADKA. So in about half cup of oil, gonna add half chopped onion. We can make sure the oil gets really hot before we add it in. So I'm gonna add the onions. You can hear oil's ready. And I like to use a shallow pan because it retains heat really good. So it's gonna cook the onions down really fast. So we're gonna brown the onions. We're gonna add garlic. We're gonna add zeera. We're gonna add green chilies, and we're gonna put it in our dal. You can see the onions are medium brown. Now add 2 tablespoons of fresh garlic, 1 tablespoon zeera, 2 green chilies, and I like to add ginger because I like cooked ginger. But if you like fresh ginger, it's completely up to you, or you can even skip it. But something I really like. We're gonna cook it down. And the smell that comes out of this is amazing. You could just... Okay guys, TADKA is ready. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour it all in, and we're gonna cover it up. We're gonna just fold it in. This is it guys, dal is ready. It looks gorgeous, it smells amazing, and the grain of rice is perfect. Now I plated it with the deconstructed salad, little mixed achar, and instead of rice we went with sheermal because we do rice all the time. Dal with sheermal is one of my favorites. Guys, it's a simple and an awesome recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed it because I had a great time making it.
So please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll get you guys next time, Basan style.
I'll take it for a spin. Wow. I wish you guys could try it. Basal style.